Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and we are in another video, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix FIFA 23 EA anti-cheat error or failure during the update process, or you're having EA anti-cheat service encountered error on both Origin as well as on EA when you're trying to play the game, and how we can completely fix this up. So let's dive into it. So I'm not wasting much time, let's me directly get into this. So what you have to do is, the first one is all about you have to relaunch the game. That is what you have to do. If you're already in the game, you just have to quit the game. Then you just have to if you're on the Origin, then you just have to right click and close it, and if you're on the EA, you just have to close it as well as it. And once after that, you just have to relaunch the game, and you have to see whether you are able to fix. And even in some cases, if it's not working, then we just have to move to the next one. Next one is, all you have to do is you just have to restart your PC, and what you have to do is you just have to restart the PC and you have to launch the game. Most probably by doing these things, the issue has to be fixed. For some users, even they are having the trouble. So we're going to talk about some of more solutions which you can try out. So that is all about, you have to run the Origin or EA both as an administrator. For that, you just have to go over here in the search, and here you have to search for Origin first. You have to search for Origin. So you will be getting the Origin over here like this. You will be getting like this. So as you can see, there is an option called Run as Administrator. So you have to click on this one, on the Run and Administrator. Or also, once it is done, this is also fine. But also, if you wanted to go to the file location, you have to click on this one. So that will take you to a folder where the Origin is installed actually. So you have to right click over here. And now from here, you just have to go to over here, and you will be having the properties. Now from here, you just have to go to the compatibility, and now from here you just have to click on run this program as an administrator and go for apply and go for OK. This is what you have to do for the Origin. Also, you have to do the same simultaneously. You have to do the same for EA also. So for that, I'll be showing you that also. You have to search like this for EA, and most probably when you search like this for EA, you will be getting like this. Now what you have to do is, if it's not that is the case, you just have to go over here. Then what you have to do is, you just have to click on you'll be getting the run as administrator option from here, or else you can go for open file location, where you will go to where the game is where the EA is installed. Now as you can see, it is installed over here. So you just have to right click as I shown above already, click on show more options and navigate to properties, go over here in the compatibility, and you just have to click on run this program as an administrator, go for apply and go for OK, and you have to see whether you're able to fix the issue or not. This is what you have to do. Even after trying this, if it's still not working, then if you're using the Origin, then I suggest you, what you have to do is, you just have to if you're using the Origin, then what you have to do is, if you're on the Origin, the thing what you have to do is, you just have to close EA, or you have to quit EA over here from the, if it's both the things are like, as you can see, the Origin is already open. So if EA is also available, what you just have to click on end the task. And if you are already in the EA, then you just have to close Origin. You have to do parallelly it one by one. Like if one is open, then you just have to close the other thing simultaneously, and this has worked for many of the users, right? And also, even after trying this, if it's still not working, then I suggest you have to uninstall after trying all these things. If you're still having the trouble, just uninstall the EA games, Origin as well as EA, and you have to launch the game. That sometimes it worked. So you know, right, how to uninstall it. For that, you just have to go over here in the control panel. If you're on over here in the control panel, you just have to go over here, and you just have to navigate to the program features over here, and you just have to do the uninstall process, which is all about it. So what you have to do is, from here you can go to the apps and all those things, and you can completely uninstall the apps, which is quite very easy. So if you go to the programs and features, you'll be getting all the apps which is already installed over here. So as you can see here, it is installed for both the things like Origin as well as EA. As you can see, EA is available here. Simultaneously, if you scroll down a little bit, you can get Origin, as you can see. So you just have to right click, and there is an option called uninstall. Just uninstall both the Origin as well as EA. Then you just have to launch the game, and most probably the issue has to be worked. And even after trying this, if it's still not working, and also after trying all these things, what you have to do is, the last and the least one which I suggest is, you just have to uninstall the game. And you just have to uninstall the game, that is FIFA 23, and you have to reinstall it back, and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. And these are what you have to try out, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.